OnlyTG Echo provides the function to set auto-reply and keywords. Auto-replies are some preset messages which will be sent to users when the bot detects they have sent some keywords. Let's get to set auto-reply and keywords. Step 1. Send the Start command to your bot and click the Auto-reply button. Step 2. Click the Add New Auto-reply button. Reply to the name you want to set for the auto-reply. You can add multiple keywords, and when user's message contains any of these keywords, the bot will automatically send the corresponding reply. Click the Add New Message button. A new one will be created. Every auto-reply includes a maximum of 5 messages. They will all be sent at one time. Click the Set MsG1 button. You can add text, media, button, or use the module. Click Add Text, type your text, and send. Once the Update Success message pops up, it means the process is complete. Click Add Media. Select a media file to upload, can be pictures, videos, or other media files. Once the Update Success message pops up, it means the process is complete. Click Add Button. Type button's name and the content, but only link or module is accepted in content. Click the Preview This Message button. Can check this auto-reply message. Let's see how it works. When users send the keyword, multiple pre-configured auto-reply can be triggered in sequence. If you don't set any keyword, it will be sent whenever the users send something.